Donald Trump as he's receiving threats consistently now from Iran. In a chilling threat from Iran that's once again put former US President Donald Trump in the crosshairs, this time with an Iranian official openly suggesting a drone attack at Trump's Mar-a-Lago home. In fact, while Iran threatens Trump, we're also looking at Houthis, who we all know in a way is a shadow army of Iran. Though Iran has never declared it, but Houthi has been constantly attacking on the Red Sea. And in the latest, we're looking at multiple attacks on ships on the Red Sea. The threat follows US airstrikes on 3 Iranian nuclear sites. And Trump has been constantly now declaring that they are going to ensure that Iran will not be able to take off their nuclear plant. And so Iran also in every possible way issuing threats that in a way a veiled threat suggesting that they could actually attack Trump's home. On both ends there seems to be threats of assassination, while Trump indirectly says Khamenei will be attacked. Khamenei very boldly and openly now saying that Trump's home will be attacked. So while this happens, the Houthis carrying out their assault. They've carried out the assault on a Greek-owned vessel, killing at least 4 sailors and 15 that are currently missing. In fact, in fresh chaos, 6 crew members were rescued from the Liberian flag cargo ship Eternity Sea, which the Houthis attacked. So their attack that continues on the Red Sea that's really damaged trade operations in that area. So this has really led to global trade along the Red Sea route that's come to a grinding halt because of the Houthis' constant attack as they stand in solidarity with Palestine. So Iran and Houthis in every possible way trying to corner Israel and the United States through these attacks.